Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website, so link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your email, enter your login password, set your security password. This is the invite code, and after filling all the details click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into the website, you will see this type of interface from the company. Latest announcement from the company. This is about us. This is the company's official Telegram group, and all about this you have to read it carefully. After that, here you can see double eight T-Rex balance. So this is the best part of that. After scrolling down here, you can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app, and logo section. And after that, here you can see wallet and promotion. This is a join to be Tron Millionaire. This is the platform data, display accumulated, and membership. This is about the company. We are at the best cloud mining, offered a potential cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transactions. This is the company's global partners: WazirX, CoinDCX, JNS Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance. After that, after clicking on trading section, here you can see 6% cloud mining trading. So this is the best part of that. And I click on this. Here you can see the current level: VIP 1 TRX deposit quantity level 1, VIP 1 2 3 4 5, and deposit quantity. Here you can see this is the income: 6.80, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12%, and this is the daily withdrawal. And after that, I click on sharing section. Here you can see refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with your link, you will earn some reward. So start sharing today and earning today. Copy this link and share with your friends or family. I click on mine section. Here you can see deposit and withdrawal. So this is the best part of that. I click on team section. Here you can see financial record, transfer to basic, share, notification, logout. And after scrolling down, here you can see modify login password and password. And I here you can see deposit and withdrawal. After that, here I click on team section. Here you can see how many people are registered with your link. So click on level 1, level 2. Here you can see level 1, level 3 team. So this is the best part of that. I click on finance record. Here you can see the finance record 8888. So this is the best part of that. I click on transfer to basic. You can transfer a basic account into promotion account. You can also download. So now I'll tell you how to deposit in the website. I click on deposit. Here you can see the address. I copy this address. So wait. After copy this address, I click on Tron. I click on send. Here I fill the address, and here I fill the amount. I click on continue. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So wait for the payment completion. Within 5 to 10 seconds my transaction will be completed. So wait for the transaction completion. Within 5 to 10 seconds my transaction will be completed. So wait. So here you can see my transaction is completed. Now I go back to a website. After that, after coming back to the website, click on recharge completed. After clicking on recharge completed, here you can see submit successfully. So within 5 to 10 seconds your balance will be updated. So wait. So here you can see, guys, my balance is updated. Here you can see, I will show you the proof. This is the finance record 10 TRX completed. Now I will tell you how to withdraw. I click on withdrawal. Here you can see the daily limit. I enter the 0.10 TRX, and here I enter the address, and here I enter the security password. After enter security password, click on confirm. So here you can see the verification code. So I explain all in details. Sharing section, investment cycle, this is the, and this is the trading section. This is the home section. Here you will see you can also download companies app to get better interface. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.